Hi, I'm Holly Senn. In my sculptures and installations, I explore the life cycle of ideas, how ideas are generated and dispersed, and whether they're remembered or forgotten. I use books, recognizable symbols of recorded and shared information to consider how ideas are recursive. I view my work as connected to science because I look to organisms that have visible regeneration cycles for inspiration, and because art making is a form of investigation. I observe the world closely. The top image on the slide is a shelf in my studio with my collection of seed pods. The lower image is one of my sculptures. It's not an exact replica of any one specimen. It's an amalgamation of many seed pods. I created 40 pods, and Kyle Delahaye of Tacoma Community College created 40 pods. We displayed all 80 pods tacked down as specimens for an installation called Dispersed. In the installation, we explored the idea of evolution in biology and in knowledge generation. In my investigations, I often experiment with scale and states. Scaling up involves thinking in relative terms. Horse chestnuts are about the size of a golf ball. I made my sculptures 22 inches in diameter. I collected several real horse chestnuts, but I also scoured the internet for images. I want to see different varieties in different states of ripeness. In this work, I explored seeds as a metaphor for the growth and discomfort that can come from new realizations. I transform information into something else. For an installation at a hotel gallery in Portland, I responded to the site with the analogy of hotel as a temporary place to stay. After some research, I decided to create paper wasp nest sculptures for the installation, which I called Inhabit. Here's one of the wasp nests I created and two of the images it's based on. In this work, I transformed what I learned about structure and texture to explore the ephemeral and impermanent nature of ideas. Part of what I do is consider convergence. This is what I'm working on now. I'm examining nests in the collection of Puget Sound's Slater Museum of Natural History. Here's the first nest I've created along with the specimen it's based on. In addition to looking at specimens, I've been watching YouTube videos of birds building their nests to learn how to create a nest sculpture that holds together. In this work, I'm exploring how ideas are scavenged and repurposed. In conclusion, to me, science and art are intertwined because they both rely on observation, experimentation, transformations, and convergence.